Hey everybody, it's your girl Cece. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am so super excited because I got a haul. I have been wanting to get some stuff from Sephora for a hot little minute now, and I was trying to wait for the VIB sale so that I could use my 10% off, which I did. So my box finally came. It took a little minute to get this package, honestly, but it came. So I wanted to show you guys what's inside. So if that's something that you are interested in seeing, you already know what to do. Stay tuned. So this first item was something that I had been looking at forever, and I was like, yeah, let me wait for the VIB sale to get that. So it is by Nars, and it is the Iconic Glow Mini Cheek Set. So freaking excited that I got my hands on this because listen, like I literally have been actually like trying to go through like my makeup. I've been decluttering a lot. I've been like really trying to focus on like using the products that I have. And so when I went and I decluttered, I was like, how do I only have one blush? Like I have literally one blush in my collection. So I have been using the heck out of that one blush. So I was like, yeah, I need another blush. I really wanted the Nars Orgasm. Like that's what I literally went on the site to get. But then when I saw this set, I was like, nah. And then of course they never put on the receipt how much things cost, which is so annoying. So I'm gonna put down in the video how much this retails for. And these it is a sampler, so I'm pretty sure that this is gonna be super teeny. So we'll see about the sizes. Let's get this out of the tissue paper here. Okay, so it comes with a brush to apply the products as well as a blush and a bronzer. So let me get this out. The brush looks really nice. Ooh, yeah, it feels really soft. So this is the brush that you could use for blush and you could use it for bronzer. It's like that perfect size to get in there. Oh my god, the brush hairs feel so soft. I'm about to be obsessed with this. So yes, that came in there. I'm definitely happy about that. And then I know these are not two products because this literally feels like girl, when you see how small this is, like I mean, I get that it's a sampler set, okay, but this is like 100 point size small, like okay. And I mean, I can't be mad at anybody but myself because I bought it and I knew it was gonna be a sample, but it's like, you know how you see it online and then you get it in person and you're like, that's freaking tiny. What is this? Okay, so this is my Nars Orgasm. But honestly, the good thing I would say about this is like I had a sample probably about half this size that I got for my birthday last year. Or it was either last year or the year before that from Ulta. And that sample literally lasted me like a straight year. So yeah, this is about the same size as that sample. So it has a nice little mirror. And then that is the blush, which I will swatch. So that is that. Right there. It is really light. It's really sheer, but that's why I like this blush because I just like a little pop of color on my cheeks. You know what I'm saying? I don't want anything that's super overpowering. I like blushes that are sheer like this so I can really layer them and build up the color. So that is the blush. And then it also comes with a bronzer. So this is the Laguna. Oops. The Laguna bronzer. Same mirror, and then that's the bronzer itself. So, ooh, this feels really creamy, you guys. Oh yeah, I think that bronzer is gonna be a really good match for me. I like the color of it. it has some sheen to it, but it doesn't look like metallic or anything. So I think these are going to be a really, really good fit for me. So that's the first thing that came in there. So the next thing that I got is another Sephora Favorites Hello set. And this one is called, what is the actual name of this one? It is the Sephora Favorites Hello Beauty Gems. That's the name of this one. So if you guys remember when Sephora used to do those like Sephora play boxes or whatever. So basically these little Hello sets have replaced the Sephora Favorites. Not the Sephora Favorites, this Playbox or whatever. So instead of them doing a monthly subscription, they just kind of roll these out periodically. But I do like these because they're only $10 and you get coupons for 15% off if you want to go back and buy the full size, which I think is really freaking amazing. So like I said, you get the little 15% off coupon, and it's 15% off of any of these products. So it's not just one coupon, it's like for all of the products. I just wanted to clear that up. Okay, and so a perfume came in here. This is the Valentino perfume. And yeah, let's open this and smell it and see. So that is what the full-size bottle looks like, and it says white flowers, so it's a feminine, it's just like a feminine kind of scent. Oh my god, yes, it's definitely feminine, but it kind of has a little spicy moment going on. Oh yes, I would wear this. I would so wear this. Yes, so definitely gonna add that to my stash of perfumes because yes girl, love that. And I will put also below, as I talk about each product, what the full size retails for. The next thing that came in here is this Borigio, I think is how it's pronounced. Borigio Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. I don't like that they include hair products in here because that's something that I will never use. But that came in here. I'm definitely going to either put this on my Poshmark or my Mercari and see if somebody wants to buy that because I know I'll never use it. So that came in there. The next thing that came in here is the Clinique Moisture Surge, and this is a hydrating like a moisturizer. I think this is a moisturizer. I'm pretty sure it's a moisturizer. And yeah, so let's open this up. So yeah, it's a moisturizer. So it's a Clinique Moisture Surge hydrator. Looks like that. Doesn't really have a smell to it, but that is what the inside looks like. You guys know I'm absolutely obsessed with skincare, so I will most definitely be trying that out because I'm almost done with the moisturizer that I have, so that's actually perfect. The next thing that came in here is by Milk Makeup. It is the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara, which, girl, this came right on time because the mascara that I have right now, like, I literally need to get rid of it because I'm definitely at the 3 months for that. So I definitely cannot wait to start using this. And I haven't used very many products by Milk Makeup, so I'm super excited to get that. And this is what the brush looks like. So I think this is going to be really good. So I'm excited for that. The next thing that came in here, I have used this before. I wasn't super impressed with it. I may keep it just to use maybe when I don't have anything else to use, or I may gift it or sell it. I'm not sure. But this is the Belief the True Cream Aqua Balm. So this is a really good hydrating moisturizer, but it just wasn't nothing special about it when I used it before. It was just like, okay, like I wasn't like super impressed with it, you know what I'm saying? But that came in there. And then the last thing that came in here is another Nars product, which is another Nars blush, which I was super happy to get. And oh my god, I just realized Why did I do that? So I guess I forgot that this blush was Orgasm. I thought that this was a different blush, but apparently it wasn't. So now I have 2 samples of the Nars Orgasm. Okay, great job on that one, Cece. So I don't know. I don't know if I want to keep this to use later or not, because like I really don't need 2 Nars Orgasms. I think I'm going to get rid of one of this, but this one does not have a mirror, and that is what it looks like. I'm not going to touch this one because I may sell this one or give it away to somebody for like a birthday or something. But yeah, that came in there. So the good thing is, because it came in here, I do have a coupon to get the full size of the Orgasm for 15% off, which I definitely plan to do because it's bae. It's my favorite blush ever. It's a glow recipe set, which I have been seeing and hearing so much about glow recipe on Instagram, especially on here as well. And so I'm like, everybody swears by the little, it's like this spray, like a watermelon spray or something. Everybody's like raving about that. So I'm like, okay, let me go ahead and try this thing out. So when I saw they had a set with 5 things in it, I was like, yeah, let me go ahead and try like all 5 to see what I like. So it is the Glow Recipe Fruit Babies Bestsellers Kit. So yeah, it comes with 5 products. So let's open this baby up and see what they got going on. So the first thing that comes in here is the Glow Recipe Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser, which I can always use some more skincare. Does it smell like blueberries? I can't tell. Oh yeah. Ooh, yeah. It definitely smells like blueberries, which I love fruity scents, so this is like right up my alley. So that's the first thing that came in there. And then the next thing is the coveted Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA. Oh, this is a toner, so maybe I didn't get the spray. Okay, so maybe I still need to try the spray, but this is the toner. So it looks like that, and this is supposed to be hydrating and pore refining, and that is the little top applicator. So let's see if this has a smell. I can't really tell. It does have a slight watermelon smell, but not like overpowering. So yeah, I'm gonna try that. And then the next thing that came in here is the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. So this is a hydrating, it's a hydrating and soothing moisturizer, and it does come with a little pump. And then the next thing that came in here is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. And let me see what this actually does. So they say that this should be the last step after your moisturizer. So I'm guessing this is just to put like some extra moisture in your skin while you're sleeping. And then when you wake up the next day, your skin will feel like super smooth and hydrated.